Hello, and welcome to short and kind of random video ideas that I had that I want to do just because I can and they're fun. This one is interesting. I want to tell you how to field strip a Colt 1911. Now, before we start, I do want to clarify. This is a DENIX, which means it is a non-firing replica, as you can tell by the lack of a firing pin. This thing will not fire. So, it is not a real weapon, but it's a replica. So it mimics everything else except the shooting part. So, I just want to show you how to, field strip this, because why not? So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the safety off, because it's going to prevent you from sliding the thing back. But first, after you do that, take the magazine out, check, no ammo in there. Even though this is a replica, it can't fire. It's always good to have safe practice, so make sure no ammo in there. Barrel is clear. We are ready to strip, field strip, as there's no ammo, and we won't need this, so we're just gonna put this to the side. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is flip this around. Now, angle it, because fire safety, don't point the barrel at your face, but there's a little notch here, or spring thing. You're gonna push that down and push this to the side. These two will pop up, take this out, and you can just take this whole string out. Now, next thing is there's these notches for the slide catch. This one is for the fullback. This one is the one you're gonna wanna bring it back to line it up with this notch of this thing. Now you're gonna wanna do is on the other side, there's a button. Push it. It's a little springy, so it's hard to keep in place, but you're gonna wanna press that. Pops out the side release. Put that to the side. Now you're gonna wanna flip the gun over and just pull the grip back. This is all you have left. That's all you're gonna need for this other field stripping. Now you're gonna wanna take this piece out. This is the recoil spring holder. Put that to the side. Push the barrel out. Make sure this little clippy thing is pushed down. Now the weapon is disassembled. You can use this if you need to clean the barrel, or if there's something wrong, make sure it's cleared, or you use it to clean or lubricate your parts. So once you're done with whatever you needed to open it up for, to put it back together, just do everything in reverse order. Take this, make sure the clip is down, slide it back in, and take this the recoil spring holder, and you see it has a little moon shaped thing. Make sure that is facing down onto the barrel. You can take it out of there, makes it a little bit easier. Your recoil spring, slide it in through this top notch right here, and slide it right through the recoil spring. Now, what you're going to want to do is, to make this as easy as possible, you're going to flip this upside down. And you got to kind of line it up at the end so it slides in. Hold these, push it in, flip it back over. Now you mostly have the firing back. What you're going to want to do is you're going to push this back to, this is the tricky part. You're going to want to push this back to where it's meant to be, right over here, hold it. And the barrel, if you can see, is the thing that slides around. That's the clippy part. You're going to want to line it up so you can see straight through the hole. Put in the side release, just like so. Just give it a good push. It'll be a little difficult maybe on the first time you do it, but yeah. So then you're going to push it forward, drop that hammer up, maybe push the safety if you feel safe, just because it keeps it from pushing back easily. You're going to slide this in right here. You're going to hold this at an angle such as this. Drop it in. It's a little bit annoying sometimes, but drop it in like that. I'm just gonna push this down, slide this over, and boom. That is how you field strip a Colt 1911. And if you want to buy any of these, they can't ship to certain states, but they're very high quality replicas. I suggest them. They're very nice. So, DENIX.es if you want to buy this, and thank you.